Presenting the Vivo X60. The phone comes in color options of midnight black and shimmer blue. The phone has display of AMOLED display on 2376 by 1080 pixels resolution. It has 48 MP plus 13 MP plus 13 MP rear camera. It has 32 MP selfie camera. It comes with 33 watts flash and 4300 mAh battery, Type-C. It has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, and dual standby, 5G. It runs on FunTouch OS 11.1 and Android 11. It is powered by 120 Hz refresh rate and Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 octa-core processor. It also features rear camera and front camera, dual SIM and LED flash. The delivery box contains handset, earphones, and documentation. USB cable, USB power adapter and SIM ejector. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.